Hi, I'm Zay from Beeblebrox and I'm the British Tech Guru. This is one of those cordless electric kettles and I use them a lot, but this one has died. It's not the base that has died, the base is perfectly fine. The switch has died. I really don't know what's gone on with it, but the problem seems to be that it won't light up, and it will I just have to keep clicking it like that before it finally lights up and actually boils the water. Well, that's no good. So I'm going to see if I can figure out how this thing comes apart. Oh, there we go. There's two screws down there, and there's two screws that I can't access up here. I think if I remove the ones at the bottom first, I might be able to get somewhere. Oh, that's interesting. I'm just looking then to see how the there we go. Ooh, there we are. And I'm not going to fix this kettle. I just want to see why it went wrong. I think I know why it went wrong. I think the switch just plain wore out. So I'm just going to unscrew here, which I'm afraid you're not seeing, but I undid those two screws, and I'm going to see if there we go. That's that pulled up. Now, okay. Does that pop out? How does that come out? Well, let me try and undo these screws. Oh, I didn't think I could manage that. Maybe I'm not managing it. I don't know. It looks, yeah, I am managing it. It's an awkward angle. I think that's out. Yep. What, this one? Bloody awkward angle. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. That is now open. Now, let's see, this switch, this goes up and down, and there's a little, that's not even an LED, that's a neon light. Okay, really old technology. The switch is actually down here, and that surprises me. I thought they'd got the switch all the way up there. And these wires are painfully thin, and these wires are not really suitable. So let's undo this. Okay, I think that one's undone. Try this one. Well, it feels like it's undone. Try this one. Ooh. Oh yes. Now, I don't think this was a particularly good purchase. Electric kettles do not last very long, to be honest. Well, that's loose, which is good. Now, how the heck does it all come out? Let me see. Well, that definitely comes off, but what the heck? How does this come apart? There's two right there. There we go. Right, and just lever that apart. Come on. Oh, I see. It goes the other way. Okay, right. There we go. Let's see what we... Come on. Come out. Come out. I know you're being awkward. Right. Question is, does that need to be unscrewed even more? What about this one? Oh yes, that one came out. So let's unscrew this one a bit more. Another one in there. I think that's undone. Nice little element. That probably still works. Right. Let me see. That pulls out. And that pulls out. And this should pull out. There we go. And that is all the electrical system in there. Now the switch is down here. That is the switch. So why did it fail? Let's pull that rubber bit off. This is a contact, and we're going to get a little bit destructive here. Maybe. Okay. Aha. You see that there? That's why it failed. Carbonized. The contact is carbonized. And I bet it's carbonized on the back of this contact as well. If I can figure out how to get this apart. Yeah. If you look very carefully there, you can see it's carbonized. Yeah, it failed because it carbonized. In other words, the contacts burned themselves out. Okay, interesting. Now I'm wondering if I can use this for something. I don't think I'll be using it for 120 volts, but I wonder what would happen if I put 12 volts through it. Whether that would, and these wires are just, oh my gosh, they're so painful. Mine, that is a low wattage neon bulb. So, oh well. Anyway, there is a cheap and cheesy kettle, and it is a Walmart kettle, no less.